He's not here right now. Can I take a message? Hey.
Anything for me?
Marcelo called. They want different selects for the power broker's job.
When does he need them?
As soon as you're ready.
All right, let me see. Anything else?
Prepping for Wednesday, and actually wanted to ask you.
What's this doing out?
I got an offer to do an editorial for Time Out.
Forgot I had this. That's great. When are you shooting?
Sunday, so it won't interfere with work.
Great.
I actually need to find a camera before that.
I'm sure you'll find one. You know how it works when you're starting out, beg, borrow, steal. You can messenger these over.
Sure.
Make sure you put this back up before you go home for work, okay?
Okay. Hey Blake, it's Aline. I'm calling because I was wondering if you are using your RC this weekend. Hey Audrey. Hey Marcus, it's Aline. No, I'm at the office doing stupid work for Stupid Barry. I'm calling to inquire about equipment rental. I have a shoot on Sunday. It's for Vanity Fair, and I kind of need a camera. I know we're very excited. I'm just wondering, do you still rent equipment from school? Aline? Aline Johnson? Would you rent it for me? Is there any way you could lower the price? E-L-I-N-E? You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Hello?
Alina, this is Francisco. Were you planning on, ever calling me?
Of course.
I have no idea what you've been doing with your day, but I'm starting to think you don't even take this opportunity seriously, do you?
I do.
Okay, do you even have a camera?
I've got one.
Okay, who'd you get it from?
Just a friend.
Okay, well, that's great. Sorry, I'm so stressed out. Anyway, we should talk about Sunday.